Hello, my name is Trevor Selescu. My family and I have owned Monster Hobbies since 2004. We have a large collection of the most exciting model cars and trucks, and they're all for sale in one location. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go down and I will show you a really cool model for today. Now, if you're looking to build NASCARs from 1997, 1998, we have another great kit. This is the Revell Monogram Limited Edition number 29 Cartoon Network Wacky Racing Monte Carlo. So here you can see how great this is. This is molded in 1/25th scale, and again includes a collectible certificate of authenticity. Go to www.monster-hobbies.ca and that's where you will find the listing for this model kit, as well as photographs and a written up description, and the price tags for this wonderful model kit all exist at www.monster-hobbies.ca. On this side of the box we can see that this is a most challenging skill level 3 kit for ages 12 and up, requires paint and glue, and as we move this along you can see the nice chassis in there with the full racing suspension and components and the nice body. And then over here is our Chevy motor. Enjoy these great videos? Well, if so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. Pound that notification bell so that every time a new video is made here, you are the first one to see it. This side of the box gives us details about the model kit. It is 8 3/4 inches long, 92 pieces, molded in white with water slide decals. It's got a detailed 358 cubic inch racing engine and interior with NASCAR approved roll cage. It's got special pre-printed Goodyear racing tires, colorful Wacky Racing sponsored graphics, molded in white and clear with black vinyl tires. And if we move this over, you can see the colors that we need: gloss gray, gloss orange, gloss black, flat black, aluminum, transparent red, transparent blue, steel, gold, satin black, and silver. And then here's our wonderful rear 3/4 shot of the model and our bubble. This kit has never been opened. It's still in the original shrink wrap. So there you have it, www.monster-hobbies.ca. I give my impression of the model, and now if you like it, you can phone our salespeople and they can tell you how to get this model kit shipped directly to your house. www.monster-hobbies.ca. That's where you'll get started. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. Press that notification bell so that every time a new model kit is uploaded to this website, you can be the first one to see it. And again, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy model building.